Hey guys! Okay, so you remember my friend Asante from the other day? Yeah. I'm doing crochet braids in her hair. I'm just going to show you how I did it. Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it.
Let's get started.
Her hair is a little bit finer. Not a little bit. Yeah. Her hair is very much softer and thinner, so I had to do a couple things more than I did with mine. Mine, I kind of... Okay, so what you do when you crochet braiding is you put the hook through the braid like this. Let's see where the best light is. The light's here. You put it through the braid, not too close to the last one that you did, and you hold on, not like that. You guys are making me nervous. This hasn't happened before. I swear. Okay. So you put it through and you hook it on the hook. And then you close the latch right here. And then you pull the hair through. Take the latch out. What I did with mine, I didn't just go ahead and straight tie it like that. Like I learned from Miss Glamour Girl. But I kind of like hooked it like this. And just pull through.
And double knot it.
Hold on, I gotta pull more.
Oh.
Okay. I kind of just pulled it through. And my hair's kinky, so it stayed, you know? And I don't think if I did tie it that I would even be able to take it out with ease like I would. Yeah, but since hers is finer, what I did was I split it, not completely in half, but like 75-25. And then I take the smaller portion, the 25, and I cut that in half. And then I just tie it around the rest of the, not strand, but this bunch of strands right here. That's pretty much it. So what I did to prep for that was I just cornrowed everything back and straight back, and then she liked that part, that's why she's nodding. And then I just braided it to the side and pinned it. So there's a pin back here. The pins we were using before weren't really working out. Turn around. So I used one of these I don't know what they're called. So I use these. That's what I use. Sorry. 825. Okay. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna continue like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll show you the results after. Bye. Bye.
When you're close to me.
Oh my God! Who is that? Who is?
Come, sit down, sit down.
Sorry about that.
You're so pretty. You should have done this. You're Chinese.
Don't know how